But I would like you to contribute with some reflections before we start, because we have used the word, the terminology, facilitator a couple of times, and but what does it actually mean? So I would like for you individually for 3-5 minutes to think about these two questions. What does it mean to facilitate? What does it mean to to be, as you said, but what does it mean to be a facilitator, and what does it mean to facilitate? That was the general idea. So can you, just for 3-5 minutes, think about that and note down your own reflections around that. What does it mean to you? Is it okay? Are you ready? Okay. Take 5 minutes and share this with the person next to you. So if you all keep your voices down, it should be possible to have a 5-minute dialogue with the person next to you and share what your own thoughts about facilitation is. To interrupt you, but I know you could keep on talking on this topic the rest of the day, and that's what we're going to do almost, but in different ways. So I would like to hear a number of statements from you, from what you have discussed with the person next to you. But maybe you could start. What was your name? Yeah, Margareta. Yes, Margareta. Yeah.
Do you want me to summarize what we have discussed in the group as a whole?
Yeah, you just give me a few, keywords on what you have discussed. What do you find? What is a facilitator? What does it mean to facilitate? Yeah.
Okay, so this is a person who organizes and leads a process. This is a person who eases the dialogue. Who's what? Sorry. Eases the
Yeah.
dialogue.
You said organize and
Organize and lead.
and leads. Yeah.
He guides a group at a comfortable pace.
Yeah. You said one thing before that. You said
Yes. Eases the dialogue.
eases the dialogue. Yeah.
Knows or doesn't know the right solution to a problem.
Okay, and I'm going to stop you there.
Okay.
Thank you. Could you say a few words about what you mean knows or doesn't know?
That in order to be a facilitator, you don't need to know what is the right solution, because your role is to help the group to its potential reach the solution or overcome the challenge. So you are working with the group and not with the problem.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Very good. I'm going to stop you there because I want to listen to some of the other inputs here. And from you, who did you talk to, Janus, with us? No. Give me a few keywords. Process and people, yeah? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Respect for the freedom.
Yeah? Well, what do you mean?
You couldn't do with people what you want to do. No strategy. The people are not don't want to go to faster or in your way. So they have to feel freedom.
So kind of transferring the power to the group instead of you having it. Was that what you? Okay, yeah. Just trying to understand what you mean. Yeah, yeah. So it's a kind of power free, or would that be? Yeah. Group dynamics, yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop you there. Thank you. And from here, from the Dutch corner.
What does it mean to be a facilitator? I heard that you need to be moving with your group, so just to be modest, to be aware, set power-free, equal.
What do you mean by being modest?
Not being at front. So you're like in a theater, you're in the, I don't know, in the coulisses.
Yeah. So is that a bit what you were talking about with the freedom? Being modest? Being in the coulisses?
It overlaps a little bit, but
Yeah.
exactly the same.
Okay, all right, yes. Yeah? You said something more, you said, because I only picked up adjust and move with the group, modest, and one thing more you said.
Aware, so to be aware of what's happening so you can analyze.
Yeah.
And be aware of the process. And the following step, what Margarita said, not giving the solutions.
Yeah.
Just be aware.
Yes. Of the openness.
Openness.
Yeah.
And thankful.
Maybe to provoke.
To provoke?
Other points of view.
How do you think about that? I mean, it's a bit different what we have heard from until now. So provoke and other points and views. So what you have just been through right now is a simple facilitation method. 3 minutes individual reflection. 3-5 minutes share with the person next to you or in. And finally, let's hear some viewpoints in plenary. That's a simple facilitation method. This is around 2011, but I think actually this model goes way back before 2011, to be honest. Yeah, he claimed it, exactly, yeah. But this is exactly, I think it's a good way to look at it. This is the expert process here. This is what it is. This is outcome data, problem, issues, and all that kind of stuff. And this here is how we do it. Interpersonal relations, the form, methods, techniques, group dynamics, coaching, whatever you want to put on here as labels. Very often, and that's the point, this part of the process here is neglected. And it has a great impact on the results. So, we agreed about this yesterday too, that this is really important if we want to get a result. So if we neglect this, or if we're incompetent of handling this part of the two processes here, then we won't get the result that we want.